Good morning, friends and students. How are you? Let's start and learn a beautiful trick to make a background in very simple process. Let's start. We draw a shape with the help of pen tool, like this one, and here, and here. Let's join these two nodes like this. Add a color. F10 where it is not closed. Okay, let's add color. Now I'm going to add the gradient. Select object, press G, gradient, click and drag like this. Add colors like orange here. Add a blue color here. Drag and place it, and pink color here. Let's rearrange pink here and blue to the bottom. Sky blue here and pink here. Okay, let's resize it, reduce the size like this, and this one. Now we are going to add a shape. Use pen tool, add a shape like this one, and here like this. Give a beautiful curve. Now we select one object and go to here to select the blend tool. From drag from this one to this object, a blend is applied here. Now look at this button here. Press new path. Click on the line like this. First and last object to the edge of the line. This is the start and this is the ending. Now we orange color we remove it. Select the blend objects. Here increase the number of steps 1000 and press. Now how beautiful design is just added in a click. We add a box according to the size of the page by clicking this tool. Now we select this design, power clip it in this box. Right click, break a part, like click, right click and place it in this box. Why? Shift page up. Let's give a color. Page up. Double click, add a new layer. Page up. Okay. Something is going not in good shape. Log it. Here is the rectangle. Place it to the top of the design. Bringing the object to the front. Yes. Now click on the design. Right click. Power clip. Place inside this box. Now here our design is complete from start to end. This design is ready by using the blend tool. So keep on trying, use the best effort to learn more and more skills. Stay tuned on our channel, like it, subscribe it, and learn more beautiful techniques from beginning to professional. Take care. Goodbye.